Hi, I'm Lorna from wearablyweird.com, and in this video I'm going to be answering how to get rid of smelly shoes. I'll be showing you 4 really good tips for getting rid of seriously smelly shoes at home. 3 of these will be basically free using things that you can find around the house if you're on a budget. 1 of these will be a product if you're really in need of serious help and you have terrible smelly sports shoes, military boots, hiking boots, that kind of thing, and you just don't want to mess around. So skip to tip number 2 if you're curious about that, but let's jump in with a free one first. A really easy, fast, and basically free way to get stink out of your shoes is to use baking soda or bicarbonate of soda. Just liberally apply it into the soles of your shoes, as I've done here with my kind of stinky Crocs. Leave it for 24 hours, shake it out, or then vacuum it out and give it a smell. You'll realize it smells a million times better. If you need a little bit more of a heavy duty version of this tip, you can add some water in with the baking soda to make a paste and leave it on a little bit longer. Just depends on what you need. Now, if you're not looking to mess around, you need some serious help with some terrible smelly shoes, you can try the product Boot Bananas. Now, I reached out to this brand to see if they'd give me a little bit more information. They were kind enough to send me some to test. I was going to buy them anyway to put them in this video for you guys, but that was super kind of them. I've been seeing them everywhere and I've been a bit curious because they're kind of weird looking, but they're a really heavy duty boot deodorizer. Now, this isn't a flimsy little product. Listen to how heavy this is. As you can hear from that drop, they're a really weighty product. Now, I've been testing these out in my really stinky pair of hiking boots. I wear these when I walk my German Shepherd in rain, snow, mud, through woods, fields, you name it. So as you can imagine, I'm embarrassed to say they've built up such a stink. I've been using these for 24 hours and previously I couldn't bring this near my face without gagging a little bit, and it literally smells like tea tree and patchouli oil. It's crazy. Now, these were made by a really cool couple. The guy's a rock climber and he wanted to create a solution for really stinky shoes, and I really think he's done it. They're made from bamboo charcoal. They include lavender flowers, essential oils, lemon, patchouli, tea tree, and they're all wrapped in 100% cotton in this really cool banana skin. I think they've created an amazing product. It works on my super stinky shoes. Check out the link in the description to see where you can get them. You can read some of the other reviews for yourself. They just work. So let's move on to tip number 3. Another super easy and basically free way to deodorize your shoes is to stuff them full of tea bags. So until the lining is well and truly covered with tea bags, and what you're going to do is leave this overnight. Tea bags will naturally absorb the smell out of your shoes. You can use any, I'm using green tea. Oh, let me catch it. But you could use black tea or whatever you like. Side note, if you like the way my Converse are laced here, this is called a sawtooth lacing style. Doesn't it look so cool? I've actually got a video on how to do this that I'll put up here if you're curious. In 24 hours time, just take the tea bags out of your shoe and give it a smell. You'll see it's really reduced some of the odor in there. Tip number 4 is to soak your shoes in a vinegar and water solution. So I'm gonna go and do that and leave my Crocs in there for 2 hours, and I'll take you with me. So I'm gonna leave my Crocs to soak in a water and vinegar solution. Shh, don't tell anyone that I'm using the bathroom sink. You just wanna put a liberal amount of vinegar into the water there, and then just swish it around to make sure it's all mixed. And then just leave your Crocs to soak for 2 hours, take them out, rinse them in fresh cold water, and you'll have seriously reduced the stink in them. If you found the info in this video helpful, it'd be awesome if you could hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more content from me. Thanks!